Label for a bricklayer, slanging weight, fell in love, made a new mistake. Baby mama argued, asking where was I instead of asking how we do today. Breaking through the safety pin with silent gate. I most likely blew through 28. Women shaded, how come I ain't choose to hate? Lawyer to him, how come I ain't see the play? Couldn't see no wrong in people trying to help them. Wanna see my youngest really eating gold tinted, blocking blessings for no reason. One bedroom apartment, watching killer season. Had my share of funny, tell you well it's secret. People that you loving, they not sharing nothing. See your pockets ugly, won't reach out for nothing. I can't wait to catch you bitches out public. Buying out the mouth, fuck your bitch in front you. Okay, too aggressive, other women love it. I don't kiss and tell, a lot of artists want it. Caught the broad punching longer in her stomach. Rough and rugged, took some losses, money double, toilet bowl, thinking shit.